The utensils you will need are a microwavable jug, a tablespoon measure, a cup measure, and a spoon. All of the ingredients you see here are readily available on Amazon and Tesco or your local supermarket. Make sure the peanut butter has no added ingredients. The one I use is only peanuts. This keto-friendly recipe is so easy to make and will stop those sweet cravings. A good tip is to measure the coconut oil first. That way the peanut butter doesn't stick to the cup measure as much. I was running out of peanut butter, so I used some smooth and crunchy together. Microwave the coconut oil and peanut butter until they are both melted and mixed. Do this in 15 to 30-second bursts, depending on your microwave. Your mixture should now look like this. Now, time for the other ingredients. I use 3 tablespoons of the cocoa powder. However, you can always adjust the cocoa powder and sweetener to suit your taste. You do need to use a sweetener. I like these stevia drops, and they come in different flavors. I prefer the vanilla flavor, but you can also use powdered sweetener. Just make sure it is well combined. Make sure to stir the mixture thoroughly, as this makes all the difference. I use a silicone-bottomed ice cube tray, as it's easier to remove the fat bombs when frozen. You can use whatever you have on hand, but it is better to have them in bite-sized pieces. Don't overfill your tray. There will be peanuts left in the bottom, so spread them out as you like, either a bit in every one or just a few. You can leave your tray in the freezer overnight, but if you really can't wait, it will be frozen in a short time. Using the ice cube tray makes nice-sized pieces. I store mine in the freezer in a Ziploc food-grade bag. I get mine at IKEA. You will only want to eat 2 or 3 of these a day, as they help suppress hunger and cravings while on keto. If you try this recipe and enjoy the fat bombs, why not comment and give this video a thumbs up? Also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel to see more content from me.